The next question is the picture multiple choice question. Here you give your students pictures and they have to answer by ticking off one picture that is the right answer for your question. This is my question. What wild animal didn't you see in the video? Then they have to tick off the image of the wild animal that wasn't visible in the video. Here I'm going to add my image files. This time I'm going to find images online. So you're connected with the Pixabay image library, and so these are images you can use for free in your classes. Just type in the word and select an image. Then add other images. When you're done adding your images, you need to indicate your correct answer. So in this case, it's the lynx or the bobcat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 answer. You can add an explanation, you can add hint, audio, image, and of course you can take a look at the scoring options. The scoring weight is 1 point, and it's just 1 point for this complete question. Then just click on preview. Students can see all the images right here and they just have to tick off the right image for this question. So in this case, it will be the links. They can click on show answers. If it's right, they will get 1 point, and you can also see it by this green checkbox.